Hello friends, welcome to our channel msnaik. Today I am going to explain you one important information related to the electroneum. Electroneum is going to be update their softwares. So what is overview here one is that they are going to update their software on blockchain, especially like blockchain on May 30th, and in this they are going to in these type in these in this process they are going to extra means sorry increase the transfer fee 0.01 to 0.1 etn, and they are going to increase block size, and they are going to increase the 2 minutes block size is going to be 2 minutes from 1 minute. So these are the outlines. So let we enter into the main topic. So before enter into the topic, one who are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and you watch this video till the end. If you are interested, please click on like and share this button to all the viewers. So what is the main updates over here is blockchain update May 31st and divergence from Monero. This is a big announcement for Electroneum. Here this ETN blockchain update May 30th. Monero, previously they especially now also they used Monero for perform high privacy, uh, so that means they are going to making some updates with related to this. This is like a pre-planned update. So they are going, they have to update every 6 months. Don't Here it shows that we will be the following model. We will be the following model, and our first major update, also known as the fork, is scheduled to take place on block 307500, which is approximately 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. BST on May 30th. Don't panic. So it won't be affect to any of our accounts like that. Time to test and implement. So they have time to test and implement. They are going to giving the on from 5th May onwards, they are going to collecting our opinions of our community members. We will post on GitHub by Friday 5th May. The electronic divergence from Monero. So electronic divergence from Monero. This is a planned move. Let we see inside the what are the main things. Blockchain update. Anti ASIC as application specific integrated circuit. This one is used. This one is also used for to protecting this blocks like that. And we are implementing anti ASIC code to ensure we have maximum resistance. We have maximum resistance to any network attack that could occur in the future. Next, transfer fee increases. As I said previously, transfer fee here it shows that we have therefore decided to increase transfer fee 0.1 etn because of there have been a lot of comments about our transfer fee being too low. Of course, due to that one also they are going due to that one also our transaction time, especially withdrawing or depositing time, is going to be taking long time. And next, increase block size before penalty. Here shows by increasing the block size before penalty, miners will be able to scale the blocks faster and get more transactions into block. That's why they are going to increase their block sizes. And next, disabling disabling of ring city and mix in. Ring city was introduced by Monero, whose main focus is privacy. Of course, it means that they are not going to disabling all the things privacy based. They by using means if they are going to reduce this much, so we and as well as parallelly they are going to increase the block size and number of transactions in this block, so for especially for mass adoptions. Mempool life to 3 days. So during the high transactional volumes, it is feasible that a transaction can remain in the mempool for 24 hours and reach current limit. So if they are going, if they use this one, so our transaction is going to be time is going to be reduced. And 2 minute block size, as I said previously, 2 minutes block size means if they increase this 2 minute block size, our we increasing the block time to 2 minutes has a ramifications on the block reward which will be modified. But in previous which we are moving to 2 minute, which will be significantly decrease the chances of off-on block being created. Off-on block might contain transaction which will eventually be returned or added another block, so that only they are going to increase the 2 minutes block size. Block reward, we are doubling the block reward to ensure daily ETN block reward remains the same. So reduce Windows difficulty. These are Windows difficulty reducing in the sense to reduce the practice, especially meet making time some of the time, so that only to they are going to be increase the faster actions. So these all information are explained here our CEO Richard.
Brilliant. Okay, thanks everybody. I'm here to give you a big update for electroneum, which is an exciting thing. I've got some details of a tech update, and there's a lot of people who've been waiting to hear details of our blockchain update and what we're going to do about some of the things that have been happening. So I hope it's something that's got a little bit of something for everybody. We've got some of the more technical details at the end and a bit of a synopsis at the beginning. So synopsis is we've got a date now for the blockchain update for electroneum. So on block 307,500, which is about May the 30th, probably around 10:30 AM BST, we are going to have a fork. Don't panic about the word fork, I'll explain that in a moment. It's basically an update to all of our node software. It's an update to our blockchain, which is going to make some significant enhancements. It's going to solve all of our problems and take us in a direction that is where we want to go. So if I explain some of that, so first of all, don't panic about the word fork. Monero, who we forked from originally, Monero fork every 6 months. It's an update that's a planned update, and whilst it's a fork, it's not a fork like Bitcoin's fork into Bitcoin Cash, where you become two currencies. We stay exactly as we are. We make all of the exchanges, get the update in advance, we give the update to the pools, and everybody who's running a node does an update, and we carry on, the Electroneum project carries on, so it doesn't diverge into two coins. Now there's some interesting things in this update. This was a planned update that we were going to do anyway, along with some of the things that the community have asked for, as well as the fact that ASICs have come out since we launched back in December of last year. So the ASIC update, everybody will be pleased to hear that we're including anti-ASIC in the blockchain update. So anti-ASIC will go live on the 30th of May, and that will prevent ASIC miners from dominating the mining of Electroneum. Now, for those of you who don't really understand why we want to do that, we are preventing ASICs from going from mining in bulk, because it basically gives a risk to our blockchain of something called a 51% attack. Now, there was rumours in the marketplace that a 51% attack had already taken place, and that is not the case. The things that were being cited as evidence that was underway or had happened were nothing to do with the 51% attack. So we haven't had that, but what we did have is we did have some blockchain flooding, which I'll come on to in a moment. But so we were implementing this ASIC or anti-ASIC code because that will stop in the future the ability of Google. But effectively what they do is they mix up your transaction amongst other transactions on the blockchain for privacy reasons. The changes is the fact that we're going to 2-minute blocks. And that then has a ripple effect on some of the other things. So for instance, block reward, this is the fee that miners get, the reward that miners get for mining a block. We're doubling the block reward because we're halving the block time. So we're going to 2-minute blocks, so we're doubling the block reward. That has another little bit of a trickle onto something else, which is the difficulty window. Hi there, small technical difficulty halfway through. Reduced difficulty window is what I was on to. We're not going to reduce the difficulty itself.
So here is the friends, all the information are given by our CEO, so that obviously I will leave the link related to that one. You can go through that website, sorry, you can go through that blog and watch this video for complete information. So thanks for watching friends, have a nice day, bye bye.